Guys, oh my god. Look at this. Yes! Hey guys, it's Patrick Starrr. I am so excited because we are going to eat. If you guys don't know me, I'm a YouTuber. I love makeup, but you know what else I love? I love food. And you know what else I love? I love Jack Daniels. And today I have partnered with Jack Daniels Tennessee Fire because they are supporting us. Pride Month, y'all. Happy Pride. It is summer, it is hot, and what better way to kick off Pride than with fried chicken, mac and cheese, coleslaw, mashed potatoes, gravy, biscuits, and I don't know who the hell put a salad up on my table, but we're gonna do it, okay? Because you know what? It's summer season, and you know, we're thickening. Get it? Thickening, like thickening our curves and hips, not unlike those other queens that are sickening. Patrick is thickening, you know, during this quarantine. But I'm here, I'm excited. Jack Daniels is a huge supporter of the LGBTQ plus community, and we're here to celebrate them because they're supporting multiple organizations, nonprofit organizations, and we're here to talk about it in today's video while I eat. So if you guys want to pull up a plate, get your food heated up, let's go ahead and eat together and let's celebrate Pride and this wonderful meal we're about to eat. All right, guys, like I said, so we have fried chicken, we got some coleslaw, we got mac and cheese over here, we got some fire biscuits with some butter, and we have mashed potatoes, we have gravy right here in the front, and we have some fruit because it's summer and I have a sweet tooth. Speaking of sweet tooth, we're gonna make a cocktail because I think it's the perfect match for all of this, but I think I'm gonna start with my little dark meat up in here. We have a bunch of chicken. This is what makes me feel like home. If you guys didn't know, I'm from Orlando, Florida, and I love Southern food, okay? So I thought it would be the perfect time to go ahead and just eat. So I'm gonna get a little bit of everything and make a nice picture perfect plate for all of you. I have a little bit of my coleslaw. Guys, I miss picnics. I miss being outside in the sun. I miss it. But you know what? The thing about being a YouTuber for many, many years, I've already been used to hanging out online. So the quarantine for me has been okay. You know, I'm TikToking, I'm Instagramming, I'm doing all these things already that's digitally native. And you know what? I'm loving it. I'm watching drag queens kick and flip online. You know, this time I know can be really hard for some people. I know I'm so used to out going to the club, going to West Hollywood. That's my thing with my friends. But I know COVID-19 has affected a lot of those people. People don't have access to healthcare, especially the LGBTQ plus community. And it is so hard. It is so scary. People are stuck at home that may not have supportive families. It just breaks my heart. But that's why I love doing YouTube, so I can connect with people and hopefully be an escape, make you guys happy. So if you guys feel the same and you guys have access or you're watching this on your phone, I encourage you to do the same. Spread love. I think everyone has the chance to be empowered through social media because you know what? I love it. Look at this plate. This is what I call a good ass meal. Oh my God, I forgot the gravy. Oh my God. Guys, my tummy is grumbling. Oh my God. You know, I used to work in food, believe it or not. Y'all, you know what? Guys, look at this. Oh my God, Rachel Ray better watch out, okay? Oh my God, well, would you look at that? There's no salad on the plate. Maybe I'll just, hold on. Let me be like one of them cute moms, picnic moms. Oh, look at that skill. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, guys, I'm gonna start with this drumstick right here. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my God, I forgot hot sauce. Oh my God, hold on. Y'all, it is not summer without hot sauce because, guys, oh my God. Look at this. Tell me this is not summer, okay? Reminds me of Florida. You know what else reminds me? Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire. They're helping these organizations, many, but I just want to shout out some very special few that are super close to my heart. Hold on, let me take a bite. Oh my God. I know y'all are hungry. Yes! Yes! Can I get it? Can I get it? Yes! Oh my God. Guys, what's so special about this video is that I want to give a shout out to Jack Daniel's supporting all of these nonprofit organizations, especially Equality Florida, South Florida, Pride Collective. I'm sorry, I'm spitting. Gayborhood District Coalition, LGBTIQ Center, Orlando, which is my hometown, Orlando, and so many more. And I encourage you to just pause the video, please pause the video, and help these organizations, because I feel so much more fulfilled when I'm able to entertain people online and be a makeup artist, because that's very important to spread positivity and operate through kindness, okay? So that's that. Oh my God. Guys, mashed potatoes. This is how I do the order of my bites, okay? So I'll do a bite of chicken. I'll do a bite of mashed potatoes. And then, you know what? If I'm feeling a little bit frisky because we're thickening, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of mac and cheese, okay? Guys, that is so good. That is so good. Oh my God. Do you guys see this? Guys, I went out of my way to shoot with 2 cameras so y'all can get into the gigs. Okay? Speaking of gigs, I want to shout out some beautiful drag queens that I have been supporting online with their drag shows. Okay? I have my good friend Chevelle Brooks. Love her. She's been doing drag shows, and a lot of drag queens. So please support your drag queens because they cannot get out. And you know, nightlife is affected by this whole thing, but support them because the queens are kicking and flipping on Instagram Live, and it's the best thing I have ever seen in my life. Chevelle Brooks, Morphine Love, I will say Autumn Rose. These girls are just doing the damn thing, and I think it's so sickening that we're able to connect and have them perform. So support them because drag is an art, you know? And I would like to consider myself a little bit of a drag queen because I like to cake my face and do the damn thing. So here we are. Here we are. Guys, this needs more hot sauce. So good. All right, guys, I'm getting a little bit thirsty, you know, as you know, we do when we're in quarantine, but not that kind of thirsty. I'm actually parched. So today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this super easy mix featuring the Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire with, you know, a little kick, okay? So I have this drink right here. I have the recipe. It's called The Matchup, because what better way than to go with fried chicken picnic food than with a hard cider? Guys, look at this. This is so easy. You know what? Y'all, I love me hard cider. Oh, how do I do this? Okay, guys. Take any hard cider of your choice right here. Pour it into a glass. This is called The Matchup. Fill her up. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm drooling. Tell me this is not the perfect match to some fried chicken and Southern food. Guys, this is the exciting part. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take, guys, look at, y'all may not know, but this Jack Daniel's and Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire is that, especially with the hot sauce and everything. You're gonna go ahead and take this, and the recipe says 1.75 ounces of a shot into your cider. 1, and then this is a half. I'm not trying to go too crazy today because, you know, I don't want to look cross-eyed. Oh my gosh, there you go. Take your cocktail or virgin cocktail of your choice and give me a cheers. Yes. Cheers to life. Cheers to friendship. Cheers to success. Cheers to love. Okay? I love you guys. Happy Pride. Ooh. It has a hint of cinnamon, a little bit of a kick. This is literally so freaking good, you guys. So easy. If y'all are a little bit slow, y'all don't want to do nothing fancy with the whole cocktails and shindigs, definitely try this out. Oh my gosh. Back to the food. I remember growing up and not having many friends, especially being gay, Asian, plus size. Like I was an overweight, chubby kid. And I was in the closet. And for the longest time, I held that in me until after I graduated high school. And what I love about this is for those individuals, whether they are my age or older, that didn't have that chance, centers and nonprofit organizations like the Center Orlando have programs and different activities for people to find themselves. They help support in getting them jobs and how to do that. They have testing and information. Information is so powerful and knowledge is so powerful that I think to support these organizations means so much to me. I forgot to try a biscuit. How rude. And you know what? I'm gonna save that salad for last, okay? You know, cause she's real special, okay? I'm gonna save her. Guys, make sure you guys sip responsibly, okay? Hashtag sip responsibly. I have something to say. Hold on. Let me sip responsibly one more time. So if you guys are new, you guys don't know me, I do makeup. I love makeup. My makeup journey, if you guys didn't know, I've been inspired by editorial and fashion, but above all, above the magazines and the high fashion and the drama, I will say I'm inspired by none other than drag queens. I have attempted to do, I've only done drag like for real and performed maybe like, I would say maybe like 3-4 times officially, but the art that it takes to pad, to cinch, to put breast on, to duct tape your head and wigs and everything, it's such an art form, and it's just, I commend them to do it, especially the pageant queens, especially the touring queens, especially the bar queens. Like, there's something for everybody, and it's so amazing. And I do want to shout out 3 queens that I actually supported personally. My birthday party this past November, I will say, was so special. I turned 30, and I wanted to commemorate the pioneers that sparked the identity of Patrick Starrr, and I actually hired them and flew them out to come and perform at my birthday party. If you guys haven't seen it, it's on my YouTube channel. I have a whole vlog in it. That is Angelica Sanchez, Roxy Andrews, and Giselle Barbie Royale gave a killer performance at my birthday party. And when I tell you the LA girls were shook, when I say girls, the influencers that came to my party, they had never seen a drag show like that. It was so much fun. And above all, I was able to relive so many wonderful memories of me singing drag queens for the first time, lip singing, back flipping, kicking. And it's so cool that we're kicking it here to celebrate them and to celebrate the community. And what I love personally about being a YouTuber is that I'm able to amplify their art and their drag to many people on the internet or possibly globally that don't have that chance. And it's a really special place online to share that. And although I am not a professional drag queen, I'm a professional friend. And that's the best thing out of being a YouTuber and about being a personality and digital creator online, is I'm able to be anyone's friend. I'm able to be friends with millions of people online that may not know who I am personally, but know me as Patrick Starrr. And I'm so excited that I'm able to eat or share a little bit of my life with you online. And I think it's a really special time. And through that, you know, we're seeing a lot of celebrities be a part of it. And I saw that at the GLAAD Awards. When I see Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire partnering with GLAAD, there's such a huge, visible organization and they're supporting nonprofit organizations. It's so amazing to see. You see, Beyonce even went. Britney Spears has even went. I've been on the red carpet. These celebrities are our allies. And for me and everyone, we can't do it alone. We can't do it alone. And to see them be allies to us and to hire people within their job and what they do, it's really cool to see. And GLAAD does that for many, many people. And I'm here to be a part of it and celebrate them too. And it's really, really special. You guys want to know something? What is so funny about this story time? So many memories are coming back to me because once upon a time, not long ago, I was a drag pageant participant and I was a drag winner. And so I took the crown. But let me tell you, when I lip sync, first of all, guess what my name was? Guess what my name was? My name was Ruby. And then behind my back, my coworkers had put me into this pageant in Orlando and submitted me into this pageant called the Closet Ball. And what's so crazy is that the whole premise of the competition was to present yourself as a masculine figure in society. So I was a sumo wrestler. I presented myself in the whole getup as a sumo wrestler, masculine, and we had about 1 or 2 hours to change into a full-on fishy queen. And when I tell you, I had never been so vulnerable in my life, standing there before an audience as a sumo wrestler, and within a blink of an eye into a drag queen. That is something that I'll never forget. And guess what? I lip synced to Beyonce's End of Time. That was just so freaking crazy. And guess what? I fell. I fell and slipped on my butt. And I still took the crown. And all of my coworkers that had dubbed me Ruby were in the audience cheering me on and everything. And then I caught the bug for the art of drag and entertaining people and making people smile. And through my love for digital and being online, I've merged the two. And if you guys have yet to even put on an eyelash, put on a lip liner, put on foundation, put on a wig, put on a damn wig, just do it. Just do it. There are people out there like me that will support you. And I think it's really crazy. And now we have the chance to express ourselves and find people that resonate with us. And I think that's really, really, really important to me. And I hope you guys have the courage to do something like a mukbang and share a little bit of your life with the world and share a little piece of you. Because like I say from the beginning, my quote, life opens up when you do. That was good, you guys. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed the mukbang with me, yours truly, Patrick Starrr. I had so much fun eating with you guys today. Also, don't forget to check out the other mukbangs. So heat up your food, get some fried chicken and your fruit punch and your Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire by next week. And join next week's partner. I'm so excited. Shout out to Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire for supporting me and also supporting the various nonprofit organizations. It's really, really imperative that you guys check them out and support them because you make a difference, whether it's virtually, digitally, whether it's donating. It's really, really important that we do that. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you, Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire. I love you guys so much. Happy Pride and cheers to love, and I hope to see you guys very, very soon. Bye.